I don't know, it just broke down on me.
It just cut out?
It just cut out.
All right, we need to get you out the road. Okay, call Flag City Towing. Call Flag City Towing. And I'll direct the traffic. Call Flag City Towing.
Flag City. Yes, I'm on the spot. I'm broke down. 2957. Okay. I called Flag City. Yeah. Wow, that was fast. Flag City is here. I just
That's Flag City Towing.
Oh my God.
All right, you guys are fast. All right, we need to call. Maybe the best deal I will pay. All right, thank you so much. Them boys is fast, ain't they?
They are.
See, that's what I'm talking about. If you're riding around town and I say your car break down, this is the truth right here. Call Flag City Towing. They ain't messing around. But they get there fast.
Don't break my glass.
That's Flag City Towing. Phone number 901-872-2796. That's Flag City Towing. Oh my God, they're going already.
Wow, that's fast.
That's Flag City Towing.